In trading and investing, timing is everything. We've all heard that. But let's be honest, can you literally sit in front of your screen all day? Of course not. And that's where GTT or good till triggered orders come in. With Angel One, GTT orders help you set your price once and then forget it. Your orders stay active until executed or cancelled. And these triggers are valid for a year. So what's exactly a GTT order and why do you really need it? Think of it as a smart instruction that you leave with your system. You decide in advance at what price you actually want to buy or sell. Once set, your order doesn't expire at the end of the trading day like a regular order. It actually remains active, ready to trigger the moment your price level is hit, or until you actually choose to cancel it. That means no more missed opportunities just because you were away from the screen. First, take entry. This is when you are planning to enter a stock but only at a chosen level of your choice. Let's say a stock is trading at 820, but you want to actually buy it only when it dips to 800 rupees. Just set 800 in the take entry section. You will find this under the order type while you're exploring the buy order. As soon as the stock hits that price, your buy order is then sent to the exchange. No need to constantly monitor your screen and also no risk of missing that entry that you wanted to get into. Second, from holdings. This is for stocks you already own. Here too, you have the GTT option to add both a stop loss or a take profit while selling. This can be done by choosing the order type GTT and it is valid just for a year. For example, imagine you bought a stock at 460 and it is already sitting in your portfolio. You can now actually set a target price to sell or even put a stop loss to protect your downside. If either is reached, the order then gets executed automatically. So all in all, GTT makes your trading disciplined, stress-free, and it keeps it on autopilot, while still keeping you in full control of the positions that you're building. Because in trading and investing, timing is everything. And with Angel One's GTT order type, timing is always going to be on your side. Check it out on the Angel One app today.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.